Hello and a warm welcome to Whale Chef's channel. I'm so excited you're here today because we're diving into something truly delightful, making chocolate cookies together. Get ready for a treat that's perfect for sharing or for enjoying all by yourself. To start this delicious adventure, I've gathered all our essential ingredients. You'll need both animal butter and vegetable butter, some sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, fresh eggs. Having everything prepped and ready makes the whole process so much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get our hands a little bit messy in the best way possible. We'll take our butters and sugar and combine them. Using an electric mixer is fantastic for this step, as it helps us achieve that perfect creamy texture. We want to beat them together until they're light, fluffy, and look exactly like the beautiful consistency you see here in the video. This is where the magic really begins to happen, creating a wonderful base for our cookies. Next, we'll move on to our dry ingredients. To this, we'll add the rich cocoa powder, our baking powder for that perfect lift, and a touch of salt to balance all the flavors. To ensure our cookies have a wonderfully smooth texture and an even distribution of all those lovely dry ingredients, we're going to sift this mixture. Sifting is a simple step, but it makes a significant difference. Once our dry ingredients are beautifully sifted and combined, we'll gently incorporate them into our creamed butter and sugar mixture. We'll mix this just until everything is combined, being careful not to overmix. Overmixing can sometimes lead to tougher cookies, and we're aiming for tender, melt-in-your-mouth goodness. Now comes the fun part, shaping our cookies. You can use a cookie scoop for uniform size, or simply roll portions of the dough into balls. Place them onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one as they will spread slightly as they bake. Into a preheated oven they go. The exact baking time will depend on your oven and the size of your cookies, but generally, you'll want to bake them until the edges are set and lightly golden, and the center still look ever so slightly soft. This is the secret to a perfectly chewy cookie. Once they're out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. The aroma filling your kitchen at this stage is simply divine. And there you have it, a batch of absolutely delicious chocolate cookies, made with love and care. I truly hope you enjoy making and, more importantly, tasting these. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today.
Yumurta.
Cookies, red and dark chocolate.
What is this?
Bir bile baking kutusu. Tuz yaz şöyle. Tuz. Gel buraya. Gülistan salt. Okay? Bir bile. Bir inch. One. Okay?
1-2 finger.
If you enjoyed this recipe,
Diğer bir bakayım.
Nasıl bir geçti?
Bugün ben midem... Right.
Ne kadar?
Please consider following for more delightful culinary adventures.